Okay, welcome all dear friend. Today we learn about the orientation of electrophilic substitutions in pyrrole. First, what is meant by orientation? You know that in case of pyrrole, pyrrole is an example of five-member heterocyclic compound, and in case of heterocyclic compound, heteroatom always number one. So all these position on the pyrrole, position number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The incoming group, that means electrophilic group, substitute at which position? Position number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 legs. Okay, these are the orientations of electrophilic substitution. Electrophile means positive charge carries species or electron deficient species. That species attack on pyrrole and attach at position number 2 and position number 3. Position number 3. Similarly, position number 5 and 4, because you know that position number 2 and 5, 3 and 4 are same. So incoming electrophile substitute at which position? That means stable substituted pyrrole obtained at which position? Position number 2 or position number 3. Okay. Now this total process known as a orientation of electrophilic substitution. Now electrophiles always attack on and position of aromatic ring. At which position? Those position which is a more stable. That means formation of intermediate carbocation more stable. In that position, electrophile attack very easily. Now the stability of that intermediate carbocations is nothing but positive charge carries carbon. Obtained when the electrophile attack at position number 2 as well as position number 3. The outer position number 3 and 2, which position is more stable? Which position is given more stable carbocation? Okay, that means at that position, electrophilic substitution take place and gives a stable products. Okay, so first electrophilic attack at position number 2. Now here electrophile attack on pyrrole at position number 2. Now here this is the position carbon number 1. Sorry, nitrogen. This is always number 1. This carbon is known as a carbon 2. That means position 2. Now in that position 2, this electrophile attack in this position. Okay, in this position, and what happened here? The electron pair in between the carbon number 2 and 3. Electron pair carbon number 2 and 3 is shipped on this carbon number 2. Why? Because incoming group is electron deficient group. Incoming group is electron deficient group. That's why this electron pair bonded by pi electron pair in between carbon number 2 and 3 shift on carbon number 2, and incoming electrophile attack on that position. That means carbon number 3 acts as a carbocation. Okay, now this is a carbocation. Positive charge carries carbocation. Now it undergoes resonance form, just shifting pi electron pair. Now this 4 and 5 carbon electron pair shift on this carbon number 4. Then what happened? This is electron rich center, electron deficient center to form the chemical pi bond in between 2 and 3 and 4 number carbons, and carbocation form at position number 5. Okay, that means it gives these structures again carbocations. Same again, these electron pair which is present on nitrogen atom, lone pair share in between the carbon number 5 and nitrogen. So positive charge occur at carbon atoms. It gives resonance form 3. That means in this way, at position number 2, if electrophile attack, then pyrrole gives a resonance form 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, three resonance structures, and the three resonance structures, the two resonance structure is more stable. That means these resonance structures are more stable. Okay, and finally eliminate the hydrogen atom from the position number 5, and it gives two substituted pyrrole like this. Two substitute, it may be any electrophiles, nitro, two nitro substituted pyrrole like this. Okay, now this is known about attack of electrophile at position number 2. Now what happened at position number 3? Actual at position number 3. Okay, now we listen here. In position number 2, it gives three resonating form, and according to resonance effect, you know that those compound or carbocations or ions gives more resonating structure, which is a more stable. Now here it pyrrole at, in pyrrole electrophile attack at position number 2, it gives three resonating forms. Okay, now in next case what happened at position number 3? अब देखेंगे पोजीशन नंबर 3 पे एक्चुअल क्या होता है. Okay, now electrophile attack at position number 3 in pyrroles. Now again here, which is the position number 3? Position number 3 कौन सी है? ये देखो, ये कार्बन, ये हाइड्रोजन, ये सॉरी नाइट्रोजन 1, ये कार्बन 2, 3. That means position number 3. So what happened here? Electrophile attack at this position number 3. Now the electrophile attack at the position number 3, that means position number 3 acquire negative charge species. Why? Because here, because electrophile electron deficiency which always attack on the electron rich center. So this pair shift on this group, carbon number 3, carbon number 3. Okay, this electron pair shift at carbon number 3. That means this carbon number 3 acquire negative charge, and electrophile attack, attacking electrophile carries positive charge. That means this electrophile easily attack on position number 3. But due to this, what happened? The position number 2 electron deficient. That means here form carbocation. Now this is a carbocation. Why? Because positive charge carries carbon atom known as a carbocation. That means this gives a first resonating form. Okay. Now here resonance forms. Again here same. The electron pair shift electron pairs. That means this lone pair of electrons is present on nitrogen atom. This lone pair of electron donate to the deficient carbon atom. Okay, this pair donate to the deficient carbon atom and form the chemical bond in between the nitrogen and carbon number 1 like this. Okay, due to the lone pair of electron donate by the nitrogen atom acquired positive charge. But this is not acts as a carbocation. Why? Because positive charge on nitrogen atom. Carbocation means positive charge and carbon atom. Carbon carries positive charge known as a carbocation. Okay, that means here it gives a resonating form 1, okay, and resonating form 2. But again, you know that carbon carries positive, sorry, nitrogen carries positive charge. That means this is less stable form. Less stable form. That means here, actually here it gives two resonance forms at position number 3 and three resonance form at position number 4 in a electrophilic attack on pyrrole. That means electrophile attack on pyrrole gives an intermediate carbocation, which is resonance form, resonance hybrid of three resonating structures. But in case of at position number 3, pyrrole gives an intermediate ions, which is a resonance hybrid of two structures only. Okay, and you know that according to resonance theory, those gives maximum resonating form, which is a more stable. That means here, hence position number 2 is more stable because it gives the three resonance form. Okay, so position number 2 is more stable than that of the position number 3. Okay, clear? Okay, thus in pyrrole electric substitution take place at position number 2, and that means position number 2 is more favorable, for attacking a electrophile. Okay, ओके इन इलेक्ट्रोफिलिक सब्स्टिट्यूशन रिएक्शन, ये हुए ओरिएंटेशन का पार्ट, orientations of electrophilic substitutions at position number 2 and position number 3. Out of position number 2 and 3 in pyrrole, electrophilic substitution position 2 is more favorable. Okay, position 2 is more favorable. So now here अब इसके बाद अपन यहाँ देखेंगे कि actual electrophilic substitution reactions which is take place in a pyrrole. Okay. Now, pyrrole undergoes the electrophilic substitution reaction at position number 2. Why? Because this is a more stable. Clear? But you know that position number 2 and 5, 3 and 4, these are the 2 and 5 are same. 3 and 4 are same. Okay. That means if position number 2 is blocked, 2 and 5, for example, block, then substitution take place at position number 3. Okay. And now the electrophilic substitution reactions of pyrrole never carried out in the presence of strong acid and reagents. Why strong acids and strong reagent, any strong reagents in such conditions, substitution reaction never carried out? Because if such reaction, in that reaction, what happened? Pyrrole undergoes polymerization. Pyrrole undergoes polymerization or resinifications. Okay, that means here these reactions, electrophilic substitution reaction, take place in a normal condition. Yeah, normal condition. So which chemical reactions, which particular electrophilic substitution reaction take place here? Now the first reaction, nitration. और आप लोगों को पता है कि एरोमेटिक कंपाउंड में अगर इलेक्ट्रोफिलिक सब्स्टिट्यूशन रिएक्शन देखना है तो उसमें ये 3 रिएक्शन सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट है. वैसे तो 4 रिएक्शन है पर ये मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट 3 रिएक्शन कौन कौन से देखो. फर्स्ट नाइट्रेशन, सेकंड सल्फोनेशन, थर्ड जो है एसाइलेशन, व्हिच आल्सो नोन एज एसिटाइलेशन. Okay, and I think last one is halogenations. Okay, that means electrophilic substitution reaction take place in any aromatic compound. This electrophilic substitution reaction has nitration, sulfonation, halogenation, acylation or alkylation. Okay, like this. Okay, now here same nitration, first reactions, electrophilic substitution reaction. So which is the electrophile here? NO2 positive. NO2 positive acts as a nitro group, acts as the electrophile, which is attacked at position number 2. Now what happened? What is the action of nitric acid in presence of acetic anhydride on pyrrole? Okay, now this is the question, would carry 2 marks. So what happened here? Pyrrole react with nitric acid in presence of acetic anhydride at about 283 Kelvin. Then it gives 2 nitropyrrole. That means simple reaction takes place here. Nitro group. अब यहाँ जो NO3 दिख रहा है आप लोगों को, ओके, ये जो NO3 एक्चुअली है ऐसा है OH और यहाँ NO2. तो आपको पता है OH कैरीज नेगेटिव चार्ज, NO2 कैरीज पॉजिटिव चार्ज. अब ये बॉन्ड इन बिटवीन OH and नाइट्रो ब्रेक्स. Otherwise this is the partial positive, partial negative charge. That means positive charge carrier species is known as a electrophile. So this NO2 group attack at position number 2 because the position is more favorable or stable. That's why when nitric acid in presence of acetic anhydride attack on pyrrole, it gives 2 nitropyrrole. Now this is a first example of nitration of electrophilic substitution in a pyrrole. Now what happens in सल्फोनेशन? सल्फोनेशन में क्या होगा? सिंपल है, सल्फोनेशन में भी सल्फोनिक ग्रुप वहां क्या होगा? एट पोजीशन नंबर 2 अटैच होगा. सो हाउ टेक प्लेस दिस रिएक्शन? व्हेन pyrrole react with pyridine sulfur trioxide, that means SO3, pyridine sulfur trioxide, okay, in ethylene chloride at about 383 Kelvin. Then it undergoes sulfonation, that means addition of substitution of sulfonyl group. So here hydrogen atom replace, okay, और यहाँ ये sulfonyl group यहाँ क्या होगा? Substitute होगा. Okay, now in this way it gives pyrrole 2-sulfonic acid. Pyrrole 2-sulfonic acid. Again here this is the electrophile. ये क्या हुआ? Electrophile. और यहाँ आएगा OH, यहाँ SO3H. ओके, सो ये क्या फॉर्म हुआ? ये H, ये H2, ये SO3 और ये वो SO4, यानी कि ये है H2SO4. ये नेगेटिव है, ये पॉजिटिव, यानी कि ये क्या आ गया है? इलेक्ट्रोफाइल से. ये क्या है? इलेक्ट्रोफाइल. इलेक्ट्रोफाइल अटैक सल्फोनिल ग्रुप एक्शन इलेक्ट्रोफाइल. सो इट गिव्स pyrrole 2 sulfonic acid. Okay, this is the Example of another example of electrophilic substitution which is take place in a pyrrole. Now, what in next example, acylation, Friedel-Crafts acylation or acetylation. That means substitution of acetyl group, CH3CO group or acyl group. Friedel-Crafts acylation. When pyrrole, and again, this is most important point in case of acylation or acetylation. Acylation or acetylation take place of any compound is always take place by using acetic anhydride or acetyl chloride as acetylating agents. So here acetic anhydride is used as an acetylating agent. Simple, pyrrole react with acetic anhydride at about 523 Kelvin. Then it undergoes acetylation or acylation. Same here at position number, always at position number 2. Why? Because position 2 is more favorable. That means this is acts as electrophile. ये क्या है? CH3CO acts as a electrophile. यहाँ वो क्या है? Electrophile. अब ये electrophile कैसे देखिए यहाँ? CH3, okay, C double bond O, O, again यहाँ CH3 और ये C double bond O. ये एसिटिक एनहाइड्राइड का स्ट्रक्चर फॉर्मूला है. ओके, सो हियर यहाँ से ये जो पार्ट है, ये पार्ट यहाँ से पार्ट क्या हो जाता है, यहाँ सब्स्टिट्यूट. दैट मींस दिस कार्बन सॉरी हाइड्रोजन ऑक्सीजन कैरीज पार्शियल नेगेटिव चार्ज व्हाइल दिस कार्बन कैरी पार्शियल पॉजिटिव चार्ज. ब्रेकिंग के पहले अगर ब्रेक होता है तो ये पॉजिटिव चार्ज फुल्ली आएगा, ये नेगेटिव चार्ज फुल्ली पॉजिटिव फुल्ली नेगेटिव चार्ज आएगा. दैट मींस CH3 C double bond O, this carbon carries positive charge, that means acts as a electrophile. So this electrophile attack at this position. Okay, और यहाँ से जो हाइड्रोजन है वो हाइड्रोजन रिमूव होगा किसके साथ, ये जो पार्ट है इतना यहाँ से कौन से क्या क्या रिमूव है, देखो CH3 C double bond O OH यानी कि एसिटिक एसिड. Okay, and remaining CH3 C double bond O attached to this pyrrole at position number 2. In this way it gives 2 pyrrole, 2 acetyl pyrrole. Okay, this is simple acetylation of pyrrole. This reaction it may be take place in presence of acetyl chloride CH3COCl. Okay, क्लोरोएसिड बोलते हैं उसे, वही इंस्टेड ऑफ एसिटिक एनहाइड्राइड अपन क्या कर सकते हैं, यूज कर सकते हैं. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट रिएक्शन, लास्ट रिएक्शन जो है वो है हैलोजिनेशन की. हैलोजिनेशन मींस सिंपल है सब्स्टिट्यूशन ऑफ हैलोजन, सब्स्टिट्यूशन ऑफ हैलोजन. दिस रिएक्शन इज नोन एज अ सिंपल हैलोजिनेशन रिएक्शंस. ओके, अब हैलोजिनेशन में यहाँ आप लोगों को क्या करना है, क्लोरिनेशन, ब्रोमिनेशन, आयोडीनेशन, ये 3 टाइप के हैलोजिनेशन यहाँ देखना है. सो फर्स्ट क्लोरिनेशन ऑफ pyrrole. In case of chlorination, again here depending upon the chlorine agent, क्लोरीन प्रोवाइड करने वाला एजेंट पे बेसिस पे ये 2 पार्ट्स है, यहाँ 2 रिएक्शंस है, फर्स्ट सेकंड. इन फर्स्ट केस व्हाट हैपन, pyrrole react with sulfuryl chloride, pyrrole react with sulfuryl chloride. Now this is sulfuryl chloride. Okay, in ether as a solvent at 273 Kelvin, that means near about 0 degrees Celsius. Okay, then it gives 2 3 4 5 यानी कि पोजीशन नंबर 2 3 4 5. How many chlorine atom? 4. That means tetra. So 2 3 4 5 tetrachloropyrrole. Okay, this is the chlorination take place at this position, position number 2 3 4 5 positions. Okay, when pyrrole react with sulfuryl chloride. Okay, now in same under chlorination again, if pyrrole directly react with chlorine gas, then it gives pentachlor. That means all hydrogen atoms replaced by chlorine. That means this hydrogen also replaced by chlorine in case of direct chlorinations. So it gives 1 2 3 4 5 pentachloropyrrole. अब वहाँ ऊपर की रिएक्शन में 4 थी इसलिए टेट्रा. अब यहाँ क्या हो गया, वो नाइट्रोजन का हाइड्रोजन भी रिप्लेस हुआ है, दैट्स व्हाई इट गिव्स pentachloropyrrole. Okay, this is the chlorination. Chlorination take place by using sulfuryl chloride, or chlorination take place by using direct chlorine gas. Okay, now next halogenation देखेंगे अपने यहाँ भी, वो है bromination. That means substitution of bromine, simple substitution of bromine. Okay, is known as a bromination. So pyrrole react with bromine in ethanol. Ethanol here acts as a solvent at a 273 Kelvin. Then again, similar to that of the sulfuryl chloride, it gives 2 3 4 5 ब्रोमोपायरॉन, यानी कि 4 पोजीशन जो है ये एक्सेप्ट दिस नाइट्रोजन का जो हाइड्रोजन है वो all these hydrogen atoms from the carbon atoms are substitute, that means replace. Okay, so it gives 2 3 4 5 bromopyrols. And last case is iodination. Last case is iodination. When pyrrole react with iodine in Ki, potassium iodide Ki, in Ki, यहाँ अपन Ki लिख सकते हैं यहाँ, okay, in Ki, ये है Ki, potassium iodide. Then it gives 2 4 3 2 3 4 5 iodo, that means here also again tetrabromo, similarly here tetra iodopyron, or which is also known as a iodol, which is also known as a iodol. Okay, यहाँ टेट्रा होना चाहिए वो ना टेट्रा, क्योंकि टेट्रा यानी कि 4, यहाँ भी टेट्रा ब्रोमो है, यहाँ भी टेट्रा आइडो है. ओके, ये हुई एक्चुअल 4 रिएक्शंस. अब फर्स्ट 3 रिएक्शन जो है सल्फोनेशन, नाइट्रेशन और एसाइलेशन, ये जो एग्जांपल है ये एट पोजीशन 2 है, एट पोजीशन 2 है, और जो इलेक्ट्रोफिलिक सब्स्टिट्यूशन का बेस्ट एग्जांपल है, ये भी जो है वो भी इलेक्ट्रोफिलिक सब्स्टिट्यूशन का बेस्ट एग्जांपल है.